Hello everyone, you are watching S4 Shamsi Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll look at why your furnace may not be turning on and 7 simple things you can check. First, check your thermostat. Make sure it is set to heat and the temperature is higher than the current room temperature. If your thermostat uses batteries, check them too. A weak battery can prevent the thermostat from properly calling for heat. Next, check the furnace power switch. It can look like a normal light switch and may accidentally be turned off. Now check the circuit breaker labeled for the furnace or heating system. If it has tripped, reset it once. Airflow is key. A heavily clogged filter can restrict airflow. This causes the furnace to shut down. Check the filter regularly and replace it if needed. Also check your air vents and return grill. Make sure furniture, boxes, or other objects are not blocking airflow. If the thermostat is calling for heat but the furnace still does not start, the problem may be inside the furnace. Possible causes can include an ignition problem, flame sensing issue, control fault, or another internal safety condition. If you smell gas or your carbon monoxide alarm sounds, stop troubleshooting, leave the area, and get professional or emergency help. If the basic checks do not solve the problem, a qualified HVAC technician should diagnose the furnace and its internal components. So remember, check the thermostat, batteries, power switch, breaker, filter, airflow, and then call a professional if the problem continues. If this video helped you, like, comment, and subscribe to S4 Shamsi Tech for more practical HVAC troubleshooting videos.